Mr. Boa. I'm working with Junction. Ben Highway View.
The friend master tete. The fit any.
The friend master say you are of an course for 10. I want to shop.
So carry the fita system to the bia e kwa fita for power organizers electricians especially ya come.
Ready abafofra ebe boa besi accident na ano etu bia momoden se obehwe bi na atumi aboa asua die bebre wo mu a ebe ye mfaso de ma ye mfita sese de ye kasa ne ye ka etu be nwate ase hu se we ni na wo ya e ma accident ye ensie wo wa na se wo se hwe sa dwumedie yi agi adwenkyere afri wona wo ka ho nimdie enyina na aboa ye
ta miakata miagojidi nya no fita sese bon mole pupu na mi akwa na mi moto gbona miakata
sese come on na me ba no me hwe me free ni mo a me ba no so wo shop kese big officer o managing perform machines be wo ha mo di adwuma ye be pese nka ade ye be ko cause we dey watch there pa yes ye pese would we ni ho a na betime di mu adase nti no ahwefo ehwe ye pese wo ni ko na wo kire ye nia wo ye we say therefore Samri ye call ba shop Thai Services Limited ne workshop aha de ye be di nkomo afei ina ode ye ko bibia eduma nankasa ekoso no okwa chechire ni esua ni nyina yehu na se wote opem na wo se ohi balance ana se wo tie pressure na e wo form a bibia obetimi na de eduma ebetimi ayama enti oye ni nekoi kan ye ho na ye nko ensori ye kosisia
Masa. When you who did it?
What's that?
Spare parts that are not the Amano.
Oh, maybe I be Germany. Germany.
Germany.
Yes.
I did that when me mechanic said as a media that and a cry we.
Ah.
There's a what paper on the other two of a me go for. Eh, me make you do it while I, eh? Said you anyway. What they make up? But as a fabra.
Driver Sakaya say me fan ko fita for no munye man.
Ah, madam, I don't win hwe ya na. Yan bank kan say be hwe pu.
Oh, can I say boss me fan ko fita.
Driver, yan tem na yan ko wai na ye pen time na edi adwuma o.
ka metua wo ka unwie ye
boss kan mi wie yo ana ode ko e betuma say di kwansu o
Soko, can I order?
o my Ghana yetimu adabia akonhia hodo a esi wo ya kwan so abere ni na ye de hye ye driver for ya kwan ene enwuma hodo a ye gidi anase ye engine Yame Kofi Asamoah ene me nim difo awo kufita sesen dwumadie yi so na ye nwendwene na ye nsua enwuma hodo a ye fitafo edima yen ewo yen cars ahodo kufita sesen na ye ne kama Fidia or Nifidia Modi Jumawa, Emusemu. Now, if you were a day.
Yes, we a computer wheel alignment machine. Yes, I see alignment, a idea, Yapese a cotton, and I a cotton, straightness. Oh, say, council, chia, I say a cotton. Now, answer about cotton, no, Jim, I said to me cotton. Now, your angles be numbers be or what, I was say, with me Josu, Tyrosu, any na unya. Machine we NAD ye side jumano. Now, on the nipa ampo o na ma ese utimi na onantete. Sa uchia ho as a alanta, friend alanta alignment. Most of them I say alignment as alanta, ukana ya alanta, ukana the NFN alignment.
Okay.
But who say who nipa wa sheda nanti alanta. Obre ultimate contempt.
Sure.
Time so say sana cat alignment it here. Now alignment say answer no be say alignment o ka mu no. We say time no eri and answer who driver can go one side and I say if you on one side but any munuba say there toto and no chair who say accuracy you know angles na work and as accuracy you know and you're correct cars bi o to me ko gina ho na wo hwe bebre nim say alignment you know you was shock there won say shock no vertical e gina ho street but e bi o be wo ka bi no na achia there will be a friend of camber adjustment and no was shock absorber no ho now the machine we nso na there and the jaw also
machine we
yes apart from alignment na you know and you find toe in toe out negative positive but you go beyond that yeah camber can say car na ya lantern get pra we are na yeah now so alignment o ka mu nso abebre nim still a reef petrol just an American wa sheda 190 one wa sheda 190 untimi contem wa kuma bebo still no car na nyesi ebe toto upe breaker car no beto nti cars be brebo sa nya accident e baka che say e break there be bebre no pate asoma na to obeto say o car na to adenti na to ye car ya nya ne say engine a empty breaker ento say eto pa na che say number bi wo ase a match nti ama ehiham to chi break na to and so person careful na to but say wala element accurate unya numbers we nyina correct turn careful crowd to say your car is stabilized. Okay, that is the essence of alignment.
Until when almost obi say accident be obi say so me bob breaker na.
Yes, into hwe car bi e be fia brochira ya disqualify no suspension ya see no. And into yen say no alignment ni bi kura ya print results mo e ma utumi nya angles ni nyina.
So we the way na call
DVL ya omo print ma. Yes, into ko ba shock nyina ya alignment ma wa ya print. Na won say wanya wa accuracy correct ko DVL ya omo itime prove am say ye djuma no ayeyi ana ye ni.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
To be who say braking system no tie system no bibia
yes
na numbers. Nti go use manual e de hwemu a obe da anya number. Obi use akoma e de alignment ama wa obe da anya number. But we use computer alignment you get all the numbers obe just ni nyina ya numbers. But we use akoma untimi here we. But all the same you start with akoma no so.
Yeah, but the way advanced one. They say
car so also the same way advanced bash so you advanced that
bash advanced
well this is more advanced
okay and yanko has say yanko has me who say the tie you have a saha ye chinchi pacho
we balancing this say na di kan say tie any rim no omo be hia baby timi yedu baby now say who the tie ni sha say woman no tie no information the size of the tie the width of the tie. I say matter we know I say laboratory. Why I say doctor who patient in sanity.
It is see
yes.
Tie no no tie
patient.
Tie ni a patient.
Yes.
And I
a doctor no laboratory in the hospital. This is the hospital, but this is the lab machine. Sanity.
Therefore I like this segment. Or say it do some ya tie no a patient. And no or a doctor into obenya botre no hwe de ha tie no aye no de ama
good now said waba for balance na so yare say sane yare okay who call hospital e bisa who information well the tie no ansa na machine no be recognize tie na ye ni ho edwuma no say we feed the tie with information now the distance between the machine no kra no ehia. Okay. We man the distance between the machine to tell the machine he say between the machine ni tie no and what say we the check car no so between the tie no any body no so no and what I say woman no that information who say numbers
measurement na
e be ma measure no now who say we width of the tie e be okoto tie say 195 6515 195 ni one but so far as air wheel no between finfin ube measure her to know the width to tell the machine say the width no what they are man now then you go to the size
of the rim
and so now why there who feed the information in and so now why there we spin to spin ya e be calculate weight no baby e do no e be calculate say e calculate senses wo oh nti e calculate we na ejina nti ejina eno a be kire o bebia wo di weight be bo won say we e kan abesi 0 each say with the weight you know ebo ha now weight 0 each be bia wo de bebo but as if a weight we 50 there ebo ha well wa calculate ni nyina ma was if a 50 fa bo ha do the 50 ni bo na wo san spin a well say abo ho correct na ma wo there 0
okay
na say it has been what accurately balanced.
It is a balance ni accurately like you said now. And then
yes, ube we say o kwa osia no so. O na sia no so, o nya comfortable driving. Na sia no so. Now, enye ne wo so na o nya comfortable driving no. Wo so no e shake niema o car na ase. Your ball joints are getting weaker. Your tie rod ends are getting weaker. Your shaft are getting weaker. Na che say o say car na.
Enti me say no crop say tie near 50% of the car.
I'm telling you, 50%.
50%.
Tie no.
Enti who kwa say who the car be na car na wo so to say.
Yes, and advice back the reason why air balance you know. Say tie ni shake here. Say say kura o dey say ha obede ubewu. Because there is no tie that will blow out without warning. Ebi ni ho. Answer na tie bia be pai wo wiase no e ma warning. 100% we ignore. Ebi obo say tie na isa. E catch you say won say propeller, helicopter. Say kwa slow o say isa. But the speed no do so e stabilize. Sa na tie tie ai chia na o ko slow na e ma warning. Speed ni do so na stabilize it to save you. But I'm not warning no dada. But you still save you. Oh, now, bones a type of warning. I want to say, no, it's a warning. Say, me ya pie. We see and ignore.
Maybe I have a bubble boy chain.
A bit more warning. And anything as a type pie, you have to trace and know the reason why. Type, car debate man accident. Investigation no crowd there, not too much. But type pie, that is why the investigation goes deep.
Your baby, you are. Your samba. Your baby, you are. Every more saying investigation, oh, boss. Into your baby, you are. Because the who came, you know, say type pie. When you may be see a shit. So, car crowd the tie, not the show cast here. And when you may be a so, oh, yes, and the tie, no, I shall say. Into your baby, you are. You better put that investigation side.
Masa. When you who did it?
What's that?
Spare parts that are not the amount.
Oh, maybe I be Germany. Germany.
Germany.
Yes.
I did that when me mechanic said it's a media that and a cry we. There's a what paper on the other two of a vessel, me go for. Me make you do it while I, said the anyway. What they make up. But that's the fabla.
Driver Sakaya, see me fan coffee for no money mine.
Madam, I don't want to share na. Young bank can say be share pool.
Oh, can I say boss me fan coffee.
Driver, young time na yon kwa na pen time na di adwuma o.
Ka metua wo ka. Unwie. Boss, can me wie yo. Ana ode ko. E bet ma say dipansu o.
Froko, can I order?
Oh my Ghana, yes me. Adabia akonsiase. Akonsia hodo a esi wo yakwan so. Abreni na. Ye de hye ye driver for yakwan. Any inuma hodo a ye gidi anase ye engine. Yame Kofi Asamoah. Any me nim di for. Awo Kufita sesen dwumadie so. Na ye nwindwene, na ye nsua. Inuma hodo a ye fita for. Edima yen e wo yen cars ahodo. Kufita sesen come on. It's a machine we so. And who say machine is so
yes.
We so super.
Yes. We a tie changing machine.
Tie changing
machine, yes. Titi no be who say nya titi kura na kura ho. Who say the hammer any chisel brutal bro. Yes, a boy but ni miretwum with the rim we. Untimi mfa hammer say we there. Oh bro. Hammer tie no. The best thing say we use machine not to scratch the rim or to damage the tie. Anything they use machine way. Yes, that's the essence of this machine. Hammer and chisel they use. This is its replacement. When I replace it, hammer and chisel.
If you walk up and say a crack,
that is it. Yes.
It is a we know a bit in so ben na say rim no paya na say
say rim be paya na che say abop pothole it will be an accident. Say rim no ya in such a way say it needs resist pressure. Well, in this rain be pie na che say impact na the ball what you and asa the pim bibi no next rain men shed and pie sa day you see rain pie nya easy
let's say I let be pen but
yes
one
yes and now why and there no ba just say nya easy say rain be pie
it we dey share hammer and chisel okay na me hu machine bi say
oh say engineering no you big horsepower any small horsepower into way is more of manual way automatic yes way is more of manual machine way automatic yes and yes
na any also who say man TV
yes
way me so
me say way ena ye wheel alignment yes a car ni be gina so na yes car ni be gina ha na the sensors abe fix your car no ni amaka no so cordless nti ebe communicating with the machine without any cable bluetooth nti ebe communicate it was awo ye adwuma wa ha no na ready wo machine so say na we adwuma we so
nti say when timi anya we a machine na ebeti mama the accuracy because ye kasa no what say ma okay nya accuracy this when nya machine ebeti mama the actual accuracy and I said pepe you know say ma car no isusu so ben
na je say we dwuma no indeed na say we dwuma no
na car no so impact ben ebeti me
yes e ba no sa na car so de enye say ye risky bibia o car ho say ye manage enye ye nti say ye say no we train our boys service with integrity who ye adwuma no a memma obi ngina ho ansa na wa ye ne because you obi nkwa na wa ye de what dey abehye wo nsa oh nti say who ye adwuma na you shouldn't let somebody control obi supervise o ansa so yen there that integrity ni there e wo ho well I don't know why say obey campo enye ya obe manipa ni there you better advise the person say a broom with knowledge is so maybe somebody else can do better
na so omo de car ba me penentem masa munya nentem mame mo che then say now like you said advice bena mo de masa ankofo no because the people be na bi mu wo ha de call ya so me penentem me nentem akọ eno no e ha modwuma na
me say when you ready say we the car be cost service now pentem I think you don't go and also ko aja obi o kra obetu kwan kra ansa na waba say ye me ka ma me pentem so akọ
ha no nya botre na san kan ho ni bi san kan ho ni
yes asife obi betu kwan enne anopa no waba o se me pentem ye me bibia ma me na me nko bia me ye no kra no metumi ahu fault eno kra ye se me hu fault na aka se me ye bia na oversight man tight bibi mpo se e town running na wo be hu na ma correct but se wo tu kwan so it makes it more dangerous so we don't even advise say wo be tu kwan anu aba say ye we djuma 3 days to your journey 2 days to your journey obetima be check is anya man nyina obi also on tu kwan but waba opententem obi an ni shop say na oye ba ye ba opentem a ye be hwe wontem ni edwuma na wo de ba ye no deliberately delaying you to give you a good job na de ye be ye but ye nka kire we no ye that is it
okay na me hu say car BC machine so
yes me say obe change tires we change tires we balance well we change brand new tires wheel balance and we also change new tire new rim no say the share machine no na balance say na me catch there one balance be also
until we no dey check balance
yes or the 2 tires
or the 2 tires
yes, car no they share the computer machine
na ye be pese wo be gina nchese ya odi amaye nso na di betu akefo di betu car driver for titru car owners efo afa yen because all can o me hu say wan nye ni ye a accident be ba e betimi awe fuel na government ja otia kakra man say dey o kan obi de twifuo bebre e bia o so oboka ti be gina a chese ya odi adi akefo Abibia no me ma omo hwe camera ena de awudie de hwe camera one way ne tu yenfo
ede me da ase me say car ankasa any accident car esemo ye but the service ni nkyere say yema eno anso e de endi edem there be especially when it comes to tie ibia ya ka say tie ni bo nya de nti say car no bo de say tie and tie mpo ni pump no kra no ni bo nya de adenti na ebe ma e bia tie ebe ma yetimi cause accident nipa them just because of a little time and I say a little kakra e de bebo e de ahwe ye tie ho e bebo ye tie ho pan na ye mfam brain nipa me say yetimi ehwe eno and number 2 enye nipa e be pra nko a wan hwe so ye so a wo ankasa no e bo wo ka uto ade ni se emwa o na wadwuma ntimi nkoso afi wakoton so a wo hwe ni yie e bo wo ka se be bo wo kan so na wo wusika de no problem e bia oman ni nyina so no na akoka oman no we pra obi ni ka na oman no ana bebre wo ankasa wo bebre nti ade nti na e be ma e bia car service any America cry be nya ma ye car so no ye nya e be di nipa dem any yankasa ne oman ni dem em se futu kakra be ma it also no say at least young America cry any skaka cry be spend e fan hwe e cash no man haye because nipa nkwa damasi
ahefo ya das we yati bebre enya ufita sesen dwumadie ya saa asemi ye kwate ne we enso ya fato ye ho so ufita sesen dwumadie ebe mo ahu enyoma e wo se wo ye e fa o ka ho nyina na enne se de ye kan ya no ye besua afa car tie ho we am yehu say car tie na say car na enu kura 50% of our car ni movement car ni si wo kura na tie na da so ye adwuma enti ebusua mesrawo ufita sesen dwumadie abrena nyina no koso a na hwe masa bashu ye bekoi me pesa wodi wachi atudwa na in fact we shira yen what say nyama bebre one me hu say anye ye car tie ya accident ba road accident bebre si na ye car ties no enso ya dwen ko so ye fuela ye sika intimi nso nyina bebre na car tie ba ya dwen ko so na wa twen ya dwen si so me pesa acheche ya odi amaye enka hanko a obi so betimi afrawo ana obi so betimi abehwehwew na wa mma no sa ncheche ya odi amaye nti wodi wachi ebetudwa ebi awo edwuma awo ye ebi bia no ye ma waponye patu ya amaye
yo me da wan say every say I shock there we are into tie safety we are into tie safety your percent ties ASC the your Berima service because of tie safety the PA branches send e be your customers omomre obeko ha na ebia na gise o drive ba ha da bi nti your Berima service Kenti Krono e wo Kumasi your Berima service e wo Accra Malam Junction your head office e wo Sakama opposite A1 bread your Sansuni total e eduma e wo Dakuma Junction total Temanso your community 1 community 2 total your Zongo Junction total your Kaswa anso your boy omodin say e benya branches no send e be ya your customers omomre enko far away for something they wouldn't like inti say oh here Bashoka it's a safe place that you can make your ties safe yes and moreover no so one thing about Bashok no say yen pese your customers be break too much your mobile tie service mobile van be bia wo office wo fie balancing machine alignment tie remove everything wo van wo free yen be bia wo bia no e betima be ye wo dwuma na ma say your workshop a wo be to wa wo mre
ahefo ufita sesen dwumadi se mekan senyo ufita sesen a saa nhyehyeye we ukonya ne we Bashok ena de ne dia aba masa Bashok wa bin time munsem into ose ya ufita sesen nti ose o de frɛ no obeba na ba hwa ma ufita sesen dwumadie eye dwumadie bia eboa ma ye ka ko badie dwumadie mu no yenya bibia abɔkɔ road accident ahodo esi ufita sesen dwumadie aba se besi ano masa Bashok ya dase na go for onhia o so wonya abotre ana wonya bre na wonya di no ma ahwefo so aye nhira yɛda ase nyankopɔn nhyira wo.
nyame nhyira mo nso.
But a friend Mr. Moa, I'm working with Junction, Ben Highway View.
The friend master tete. The fit any.
The friend master say you are of Uncle Sport 10. I want to shop for.
So carry the fita system to the bia eboa fita for power organizers electricians especially ya come.
Ready abafofra ebe boa besi accident na ano entu bia momodin se obehwe bi na atumi aboa asua die bebre wo mu a ebe ye mfaso de ma ye mfita sese de ye kasa ne ye ka etu be nwate ase hu se we ni na wo ya e ma accident nye ensie wo wa na se wo se hwe sa dwumedie yi agi adwenkyere afri wona wo ka ho nimdie enyina na aboa ye
ta miakata miagbojide mi no fita sese pon mole kuku na mi akọ na mi moto gbona miakata
sese come on.